Hi guys, welcome to Jeju Tech. In this tutorial, you will fix your headphones not working in PC or laptop very easily. Okay, first what you have to do is that check physically if that connection is okay or not, if your jack is inserted properly or not. First check that. If there is available any other port, then after just connect other port also, and if there is available any PC or laptop, then I have to try with another device also. Okay, if you are using the Bluetooth devices, then after you have to go to Bluetooth and check the device has paired connected or not. Okay, like this. Okay, now next step is that right click and go to the sound option and go to playback, and if you find out here your earphone or headphones, and just you have to set as default. Okay, so with the green mark. Okay, and now next is that right click sound option and go to sound setting and check the master volume, and this should be always turned on. Okay, and check other sound also, system sounds 100, and these are all okay. Check this. Okay, if these are 0, we increase the sound like this. Okay friends, now next is that we have to go to the device manager, right click PC, go to manage option, then after go to device manager and go to the audio inputs and outputs, and just what you have to do is that find out speaker headphones will take audio, just right click and just uninstall. Once you have uninstalled, then go to action and just scan for hardware changes, right? If this problem couldn't fix, then right click and have to go to the update driver and click search for automatically and try with the use update driver. Okay, or you can disable and enable once time. Okay, these are the wired setting. If you are using the Bluetooth headphones, then after make sure that Bluetooth is turned on, and you have to go to the setting, and after you have to go to the Bluetooth devices. You can find out devices, or you can add any other devices like this, add, and you can just Bluetooth and turn on the Bluetooth device here, and just click and just connect like this and allow the permission, and so you can connect easily with the devices. Okay, and if you have already connected like this, just right click devices and remove once, and again connect the devices, and so you can fix the problem. Okay, again the problem couldn't fix, after go to Windows R and type services.msc like this and click OK, and type B, search for the Bluetooth support service. Bluetooth support, here is the Bluetooth user support service. Okay, and what you have to do is that just to restart, or you can start this R setting, right? Bluetooth, this also restarts. And you can find out here Bluetooth audio gateway, just to restart it again. Okay, And if problem keeps remain, then after you can try with troubleshoot setting. Go to start menu and type troubleshoot. Just click that troubleshoot setting and click the troubleshoot and click additional troubleshoot. And here you can find out the Bluetooth option. Just click that and run the troubleshooter. Okay, this will fix the problem automatically. Okay guys. Still problem keeps remain. And after test with USB audio adapter or external sound card. Okay, let me know the type of headphones, wired or Bluetooth, and model if you want more tailored help. Okay, my problem has been fixed. And guys, let me know your problem fixed or not. If problem keeps remain, then tell me the type of headphones, wired or Bluetooth, and tell me the model number, and I will give you support how to connect and how to fix the problem very easily. Guys, thanks for watching my channel, this video. Your support, share, comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video guys.